Express Tunnel, 8 to 7.
Sleep Aid brand has a range of non-habit-forming products to fit you and your family's needs. Invest in a great night's sleep for the best of you today.
Oh, no cash. Like gas too. Walmart.
Go to their website and see what they have to offer. There's so many beautiful things that you can do to upgrade your home at rbafla.com. You know me, I love search. And now through the month of December, get $300 off every window.
I pick what I want. How do I pick which one I want?
Just touch
Do I
it.
just touch it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it.
And you hit the box. Let me just set it up for you, sir.
Okay.
Just put your credit card in. Ain't gotta go through all that. And it's gonna ask for a receipt after it do. Okay?
Okay, thank you. Insert.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes.
You have to click yes.
I did, Jamie. Didn't say. Thank you. Please wait for it to open then pull forward. It opened, so I guess I'm going. There's no receipt.
Don't forget to pull up your window.
This guy. Do something here. Oh, I gotta give them money too.
By calling Able Air for a free estimate. 242-7400. That's 242-7400. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. CentralFloridaSaves.com has an amazing deal for you for Weshy Jewelers. Log on to CentralFloridaSaves.com now and get a $500 Weshy Jewelers gift certificate for just $250. Weshy Jewelers has the largest selection of diamonds in the area. They're known as the diamond experts. If you're looking for
25. I should have bought the whole year thing.
then Weshy Jewelers is the store to visit. So log on to CentralFloridaSaves.com
Do a
now
good job,
and
guys,
take
'cause they'll
advantage
give
of this
you
incredible
$5.
offer from Weshy Jewelers.
Time is
give
of
you
the
two.
essence with COVID-19. Prescription oral treatment must be taken within the first 5 days of symptoms. If you have a high risk factor, ask your doctor if treatment is right for you. Learn more at treatcovid19.com.
Whoa.
Sponsored by Pfizer.
Whoa.
iHeartRadio is your number one.
Here, guys.
You have it neutral and foot off the brake. Oh, straighten the
Hold on.
steering wheel out.
Okay. Okay?
All right. I just have to let it run through the wash cycle and then I'll start it back up again.
Okay.
So if you can hold your brake down, there's going to
My
be another
brake is
roller that
down.
will pass under you.
Turn neutral.
And it's about to pass.
Take my foot off the brake.
And hold on to it for just a moment. Another roller coming. Right, and if you can have it neutral and foot off the brake, I'm going to start it back up again for you.
Okay.
All right.
Ready.
Thank you.
Here we go. So I have to do a U-turn because the guy did it at Walmart. Oh dear! What the heck? What brakes must be? Holy mackerel.